my beautiful friends, and thank you so much for joining me today. It's Norma, and I'm back today with another Sunday reset. I've been going through my planner. I've talked about this in a couple of videos. It's my Passionate Penny Pincher planner, which I always have trouble saying, but I love this thing, so I use it every week. I believe I got through most of my stuff this week. I'll go through it with you in a minute, and we can check off the boxes, because for some reason checking off the boxes during the week is just too much for me to handle. But I did get most of my stuff done. I got behind on my laundry. I didn't do the loaded laundry a day, so I'm a little bit behind. I have a load of clothes to fold, a load in the washer, a load in the dryer, and that should catch me up. So that's a good thing. The other thing that I didn't get done either was my refrigerator. I said in my video last week that I was gonna film a deep clean refrigerator video, but that didn't happen, so I'm just gonna do a deep clean refrigerator video, kind of a abridged version, a shorter version. I'm not sure if that's the right word. So a shorter version of what I would have filmed, but I'm still gonna get it all deep cleaned and ready to go, because I've been putting it off and I've just been stuffing things in there. When it comes time to clean it out, I say I'll do it later, I'm gonna film it, and it never happens. So it's gonna happen today. So that's gonna be mostly what I have to do today, because like I said, I think I kept up with everything. So let's go through the planner and see where we're at. So I did my grocery shopping, I cleaned out my purse. I do that every week, every Sunday. I did dust the cleaning out the fridge. This is the thing, that's the thing. I cleaned out the stove and microwave. I didn't vacuum this day, but it's still there today. Let's see. We cleaned our bathrooms, restocked our toilet papers, changed our towels. We changed the sheets. I did my paperwork, and I did the electronic screens earlier this morning. Tomorrow after work, I'll stop and wash and vacuum my car. And, oh, tomorrow is one of my friends from work, tomorrow's her birthday. So I'm gonna make a cake today at some point. Okay, again, another busy Sunday, so let's get this going. Before I started cleaning out the refrigerator, which I know is going to make a big mess. I know there's going to be a lot of dishes because there's quite a bit of leftovers that need to be thrown away. So I decided to clean up the kitchen and get that clean and organized before all the chaos starts. So this weekend got a little bit away from me since it was Easter and all, and I wasn't able to post the video on Sunday, but it's a Sunday reset on Tuesday. I'm using a Sponge Daddy scrub sponge. I really like them. Not only are they a lot more durable, and it seems like they stay cleaner than a regular sponge, that little smiley face just makes my day sometimes. When you're washing a clear glass and you're turning it around, you can see his little distorted face in the glass. It just makes my day. It makes a tedious chore a little bit more fun. I'm not sure if I'm ready for this, but hold on to your hats, because this is crazy. Whoa. I don't think there's an inch of space in here. Okay. Even though I'd rather be sitting down, I'm gonna tackle this today. Enough is enough. I almost don't even know where to begin. It just seems like such an overwhelming task. But as you can see, I just get started. I started in one corner, just taking everything out, throwing the leftovers that are no longer edible in the trash. I'm not just throwing them on the floor. There's a trash can on the ground right there. And as I'm taking things out of the fridge, I'm putting obviously the leftovers in the trash and the dishes off to the side in one area. And then I'm putting every section together. So that way when I put everything back, it'll be like shelf by shelf. I know what goes where. So now that everything's empty, then I'm going to take off the shelves and remove the bins because I want to wash them in the sink. I really want everything nice and clean before I put it back in. So I was watching a video by one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Marie Lopez. That's her channel name also. And I'll put a link in my description box down below so you can go check out her channel as well. She's a working mom and wife, and she shows you how to get things done. I mean, she gets in there and gets deep clean, and it's so motivating. I enjoy watching her content. But in one of the videos, she used a power steamer to clean, and I just thought it looked so cool, so I had to get one too. So here's my new toy, and I really enjoy it because it gets down in the crevices. It removes the stains, it gets things clean and sanitized, but it gets in those little corners where even no matter how much you wipe it with a cloth, it just doesn't get clean. So I was really happy with this Power Shot, and I will use it probably on my cabinets and my baseboards, and my shower. But I really, really like the way it cleaned the refrigerator. And here's what was left after everything was out of the refrigerator. Not too bad, all in little groups. Makes it so much easier to put everything back. And boy, did I struggle trying to put these bins back. They just didn't want to fit in. It was not easy to take them out either, but I was stubborn and determined to get it cleaned out. So they went back in eventually. And here comes the fun part of putting everything back. I have so many condiments. Do you guys keep this many condiments? It just seems so excessive, but everything was different, and we use it. I mean, not every day, but we use them quite a bit. So let me know in the comments. Is this excessive condiments? So now the refrigerator's all done and clean. I'll show you pictures at the end. But now it's time to clean up the mess I made cleaning the refrigerator. And I got a new set of Mrs. Meyer's cleaners. I always get the set, the hand soap, the dish soap, and the multi-purpose cleaner. This is in the scent Peony. I really like the way that one smells, and I think it's like regular line. You know how they have the seasonal lines? This was in the regular line, I believe. So it was at my grocery store, so I got it. And that's all that's left to do is mop and vacuum. So I did vacuum and mop the whole house, but I just showed the kitchen since that seems to be the focus of the video today. And to clean the outside of the refrigerator, I use the Weiman, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I really like how shiny it leaves the outside of the refrigerator and the dishwasher also. So I just spray it on the refrigerator or the dishwasher and wipe it down with the damp cloth, and then I go back with my e-cloth polishing cloth to get it all shiny. And here it is, nice and clean and organized. Ready to start the week.